Hi all, today I will tell you about the new Galaxy S23 Ultra. What are the changes and it is worth buying this smartphone. In these hot changes its appearance at minimal, the screen has become flatter. Along with the edge, the camera lenses have accurate a pronounced bezel. The key changes are inside the work of art. The package is simple. It is a paperclip USB cable with two sides. There is a choice of pastel colors. We have aluminum frame, matte glaze, and from the front of a slightly rounded waterfall screen with the latest in the market glass Gorilla Glass Victus 2 generation, which in theory can withstand a fall on concert from a height of the meter. Display at 6.8 inch, dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD resolution with dynamic sweep from 1 to 120 Hz and brightness of 1715 Hz. This date makes the screen one of the best on the market. I advise you to use the maximum resolution, then you will feel the coolness of this smartphone in detail. The good news is that this year the whole S23 Ultra series will be exclusively on Snapdragon processor. For those who don't know, that is one of the market leaders. In comparison with Samsung's own Exynos processor, you get more autonomy, stability and performance about it later. So here, entitled Snapdragon 38 Gen 2 specially from S23 series. Different overclocked frequency and improved adaptation. From now on you can choose only from 256GB, 8 or 12 RAM. The latest UFC 4.0 data transfer rate standard, which allows you to transfer and upload files 2 times faster than the latest flagships with UFC 3.1 standard. We have a beautiful shell adapted for one-hand operation, One UI 5.1. Support from 4 years, which is at the moment the longest support from Android smartphone, and 5 years of security. On Autonomy smartphone lives a day stably, and there as you use it. There is a fast charger at 45 watts which change the smartphone to 100% an hour, but it is better to use a 25-watt charger because at the speed to 100% they change the same. A load and battery wear and tear will be much less. The camera on this made a big emphasis. In today's smartphone we have 200 megapixels main model, which at the output converts the image to 12 megapixel, but there is a mode 50 or full 200 megapixel throughout. In the case the weight of photo will be multiplies of 100 megabytes and above, video recording 8K 30 frame rates, which makes this mode already useful. You get more quietly and better picture. The other models are 3x and 10x optical zoom at 10 megapixels and Shirk with a front camera 12 megapixels, and yes, it used to be bigger, but the quality is unchanged. Definitely noticeable work down in the stabilization algorithms, and overall camera is clearly one of the best on the market. Of course, have a stylus to expand the functionality of this device. Stereo sound, waterproofing IP68, up to a meter deep, can withstand immersion underwater, manual camera model. A good photo data with its chips. Price for 12 256 memory from $1,400, and in my opinion the price politically is reasonable, especially everything will be juicy with the smartphone will fall to $1,000. Write in the comment how much you are willing to spend on the new phone. To summarize, from year to year we get the most advanced solutions that are on the market at the moment. Samsung develops for almost all screens, camera models, increases memory, standard and much more. And I think that one of the ideals of balanced smartphone on Android is the Samsung. Remember that in the first month there may be some physical and software issues, as the thing is new and all smartphone manufacturers will have some issues to deal with the next month with updates.